Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I just wanted to share something with you really quickly, and it's how to clean out the plastic reservoirs in your engine bay. Now this is the washer fluid reservoir from my 1989 Polo, but I imagine this could probably work on anything from inside your engine bay, and to be honest this could probably work in any container that is going to be awkward to clean. So no matter what the container is, if it's a plastic container like this, doesn't really matter what use it has, I imagine this method will probably work. And what I will say is I was amazed by the results of this, and obviously I'll show you. Unfortunately I didn't film the before, but I will describe what it was like. It was absolutely rancid. This thing was covered inside in a kind of black spotty bacteria or mold. I don't really know what it was. I guess it was a mold because it looks like it had never been cleaned out basically. It looked absolutely vile. The water in it that I extracted out of it before I removed this was disgusting as well. So it was in really bad shape. It'd obviously not been cleaned at all. And basically what I did to get these results, now a lot of the dirt you'll be seeing here is actually on the outside of it at the moment, and I am going to clean that up as well separately. I'm going to either leave it in bleach and then clean it off, and probably use a bit of degreaser as well just to get all these little marks off. So the method that I used is really simple, but you would probably not think of it. I tried to get a brush inside here and clean it all out, but obviously look at the size of it and the shape. You're never going to get down to these bits. So what I did was I bought a packet of rice, and that only cost me £1 from the supermarket. I poured a load of rice into this and I put a load of water in, and then I just got a household bleach. I actually ended up using toilet cleaner, and I just threw 2 or 3 squirts in and then just shook this for quite a long period of time. I'd probably say about 10 to 15 minutes in total. Obviously, if you've got any holes like mine did, you will have to plug those, otherwise it'll just escape and it won't really work. And what's happening inside is that the rice grains are hitting against all the mold and everything, and it's kind of cleaning them in an abrasive way. Now, I've already seen as well that you can use kind of little pebbles that you buy for fish tanks, the pebbles that go along the bottom of the fish tank. You can use those too. Anything that's going to kind of be corrosive to the mold inside but not to the plastic will probably work. So I'll put a little shot now of the inside of the container now, and honestly I am so impressed with how this has come up. Hopefully you can see here now from looking at this video, the inside the container now is pretty much immaculate. There's 1 or 2 tiny little stubborn spots which refuse to move, but on the whole, and looking into that, it looks almost like it's good enough to drink water out of. So I'm really impressed with the results, especially considering the age of my car as well. I would have thought, I was almost thinking that I might have to buy a new one, but it just came up absolutely amazing. So give that a try, guys. It's some sort of abrasive thing in the bottom. You could use plastic beads, little stones, rice. It's just really easy to get hold of rice, so that's why I used it. Top it up with water, bit of bleach, and it should do an amazing job of cleaning out the inside of your water tank. Like I said, this can work on a load of different things, but this one in my engine bay was particularly disgusting, so I definitely wanted to get this done while I'm doing loads of other stuff on my car at the moment. And yeah, really happy with the results. So all that's left now to do is give this outside a good degreasing and cleaning, and it should be looking close to factory. The one thing that I will say as well is, before you obviously put this back on, really make sure that there's nothing left in the bottom. I rinsed mine out 3 or 4 times, and I just had another double check, and there was a tiny little piece of rice still in the bottom. So swirled it out again, kept swirling it out, and now there's nothing inside, so that's all good. But yeah, make sure that everything is out of it, because you don't want it going up your pipes into your washer and blocking the channel or the pipe or whatever. So I hope this is useful, guys. Just a quick one, and yeah, the results are brilliant, so give it a try. And if you do use this method, let me know how you get on. Like I said, this is from my 1989 car, and hopefully once I've cleaned the outside of this as well, it's going to be almost looking like factory. So absolutely amazing little hack. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it works for you. See you all again for another video very soon.